नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां आमच्या ह्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीन जाचें नांव आसा काउंटडावन टू काउंटिंग हब एनकाउंटर सिरीजा अंडर ही आसा आनी आमी सद्या मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्षाचे राज्यसभा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट लुइजीन फायब्रोस आनी हो पक्ष गोंयांत हाडलो. तांचे कडेन विचारतले, देव बरें करूं सर. तुमकां विचारपाक आयल्या स्पेशल आमी अबावट रिजल्ट्स, बिकॉज एवरी वन इज आस्कींग वन क्वेश्चन. कोणी खंय च्याच्या गाड्यार मेळो, रस्त्यार मेळो, प्रत्येक जण विचारता कोण येता काय म्हणून. सो फर्स्ट
सादें people will get the government they deserve.
which government they deserve? According to you, TMC they deserve.
I am very happy, very proud and very grateful to the people of Goa that the Goa TMC, which started in Goa hardly 3 months back, the people of Goa has accepted, has blessed us, and we hope that TMC will be able to play a great role in the destiny of Goa and its people.
कितले सीट येतले?
कितले सीट येतले ते म्हज्यान सांगूं जायना, पूण एक सांगूं जाता की 3 म्हयन्यां भितर जे कार्यक्रम, ज्यो येवजण्यो गोवा TMCन गोंयांत हाडल्यो, these are pro-poor people policies and programs like Graha Lakshmi card, Yuva Shakti card, जावं housing schemes, जावं land to the poor. ह्यो ज्यो येवजण्यो आहा, these are schemes meant to help the poor Goans, and TMC, as per the idea or ideology of its founder, Mamta Didi, has been always a poor people's party.
ह्यो स्किम्स सर आसा पळय इन द रन अप टू इलेक्शन अनाउन्स केल्यो, दॅट्स फायन. पूण तातूंतल्यान तुमकां मतां पडटली अशें दिसता? लोकांक विश्वास बसतलो की फाल्यां TMC येत जाल्यार आमकां हें करतले?
TMC has come to stay. TMC has put its foot on the sacred land of Goa. I don't think in the history of Goa there is any political party which has come so high horizontally to the expectations of the people that people accepted it, people have blessed it.
So
there are other parties like Indian National Congress, which has taken nearly 20 years to open their account in Goa. There are other parties like the BJP, which I am sure has taken around 10 years. AAP is here for the last 10 years, but they are yet to open an account. So TMC has just come 3 months back or 4 months back and has made an impact. And the reason why TMC is acceptable to the people of Goa, because people realize that TMC is pro-Goa, pro-Goans, and especially pro-people.
So
and the schemes which we brought, you will say from where you are going to get the money. We have worked out with the economist. We have worked out how much is the budget. And for example, Graha Lakshmi card, it only is going to take 8% of the budget. If you take the budget of the last 3 years.
सर हे सगळो विशय येता जेन्ना TMC पावरान येता तेन्ना. You use 2 words, accepted and blessed. आतां TMC खरीच accepted and blessed जाल्यार आमकां 10 तारखेक कळटली. तुमकां दिसता people have accepted and blessed TMC wherein you will be able to win over 21 seats and form the government along with your allies like MGP?
I feel by looking at the trends of the people, TMC has made an impact within 3-4 months, which is something incredible if you look at the history.
I'm on that only, sir. How do you
They
judge?
have accepted the TMC as a Goan party.
How do you judge the impact?
You will see it in the results.
So third seat येतली अशें दिसता तुमकां? 20,
I can't
21?
say how many seats, but we have got today TMC and our coalition partners, the oldest party in Goa, Maharashtra Gomantak party. So TMC and MGP, I'm sure, is going to take a sizable number of votes and sizable number of seats to form the next government.
So next government will not be formed without TMC, or next government will be formed by TMC?
See, TMC is a leading party here. We have got our coalition partners who are our equal partners, and we'll have to form a government with the help of our coalition partners.
म्हणजे तुम्ही गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करतले, तातूंत गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करपाक मदत करतले काय गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करतले? These are two things which are different.
I will only put it this way. People of Goa have mostly never elected the BJP party. They always defeated the BJP party. People of Goa had given a mandate, not once, more than 3 times to the Congress. BJP was defeated. But it is the Congress party who stole the people's mandate, who did a great betrayal to the people of Goa and made business and commerce out of the MLAs in giving their MLAs to the BJP. So this time people, I'm sure, will not want these parties who has ruined Goa, ruins its economy, and I'm not saying it. The government of India's statistics are saying it. You see the GDP for the last 10 years. It has plummeted down. You see the socio-economic situation, human resource indicators, it has plummeted down. The economic indicators, the human resource indicators, they are all plummeted down. The GDP has come down. Unemployment is staring at us. So Goa is in the death trap with all the loans. Our industry has collapsed. Nearly 16,000 MSMEs are closed. Mining industry, which was supporting 2.5 lakh population of the state of Goa, has been closed. So people are looking forward for a change. And I feel, to reply to your question, TMC and our coalition partners is a credible change people of Goa are looking. This is one part. The second part, our aim is not only to form the government. Our aim is to defeat the BJP, which has destroyed Goa's economy and destroyed this country and country's economy.
सर तुम्हीच म्हटले सर की 3 महिन्या पयलीं येवन खंयच्याय राजकारणान किंवा खंयच्याय स्टेटीन इतलो इम्पॅक्ट करप इज अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग. पण इट इज ऑल्सो रायट की खंयच्या एका 3 महिन्या पयलींच येवप. दे कुड हॅव कम 6 months, 1 year, 3 years back. How do you judge that? की 3 महिन्या पयलींच येवप. That means you are also taking state for granted.
TMC has come to Goa basically because they have realized that the earlier parties who were given mandate, and who was given the mandate by the people of Goa? It was the Congress party. Congress party was given mandate in 1999. Congress party was given mandate in 2016 or 17. But these parties betrayed the mandate, betrayed the faith and trust of the people and gave it to the BJP. And that is the reason TMC thought they are credible opposition and they will provide a good opposition for the people of Goa so that the people of Goa can have a change and a credible change.
I am on timing, sir. I am not whether TMC should come to Goa or not. I am on की 3 महिने कित्याक, 3 वर्स कित्याक ना पयलीं. 2017 ही सगळी गजाल जाल्ली, तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी नोट केलें. ताजे उपरांत यू से यू हॅव मेंटेन डिग्निफायड सायलन्स फॉर 4 years. We can understand you are part of Congress. TMC could have very well come then. Why wait for 3 months? This
Well,
also
I
means
have told you the reason why they thought they will come, because people were looking for a change.
I am on timing,
and
sir.
they have seen that it's a good time for a change. And let us see
do you
whether
agree?
the season of 3 months could have been earlier or could have been
Do you-
later.
do you agree?
That part I cannot tell you over
But
here.
do you agree it should
But
have been better?
people were looking for a change, and therefore TMC thought that they have come. Now, having set its foot on the sacred land of Goa, TMC is going to play a role in the future. TMC going to play in the role as far as the aspirations of the people of Goa. TMC is already started playing a role at the state level and national level. As a member of Rajya Sabha, I have taken 8 issues in the Indian Parliament, which are affecting Goa, Goa's economy, Goa's ecology, Goa's environment. I have taken an issue on making Goa a coal hub. 13 million tons of coal has been signed by the government of the day. I have taken issues on the three linear projects which I call three cardinal sins. The double tracking of the railway lines and then cutting of the forest for making the highways broad and bringing the Tanmar power project. I have taken the issues on mining which is abruptly stopped, thereby putting 2.5 lakh mining affected people on the road. I have taken about 35,000 crores mining loot. I have taken about Made River. I have taken issues on special category status for Goa. I have taken around 8 issues. So TMC, in short, is going to play a role at the state level, and TMC is going to play a role at the national level, so that TMC will try and see how it can fulfill the aspirations and the demands and the problems of the people of Goa.
Sir, my question is to you again. Now, 4-decade-old political career तुमचे 80s पासून स्टार्ट झाले. आता म्हणसर उरले नावेलीमचे तुम्ही you got continuously elected except for once. Was it worth risking your entire political career for a political party that comes 3 months in advance and gives a slogan that, okay, we will rule Goa in future?
Very good question. And I will give you a reply, yes. I have played a role not only at state level, I have played a role at the national level and also at the international level, because I represented my country at the United Nations, at the ILO. But what is ailing? What the people are suffering? I feel the change had to come at the state level. And why I have taken this decision, I'm very happy and proud. I've taken this decision because of the people of Goa, to save Goa. I've not taken a decision because of myself. If I had to contest this election, people would have said, okay, you have taken a decision for your selfish purpose. I have decided not to contest, but I have decided to start a movement, a credible movement, to start a new revolution, because Goa is a young state. Goa is a rich state. Goa has got all the resources to make one of the best states, not only in India, but best state in the world. We have got that much of resources. But Goa is going down. The people are suffering. The youth are finding in a hopeless situation because unemployment day by day is staring at us. So some day or other, whether it is 3 months back or not, we have to have a change. We have to look at the picture of Goa and Goans for the future, so that every Goan youth can be gainfully employed. Goa, which is right now in the death trap, can be salvaged, and Goa can go forward, because Goa had one of the best human resource indicators, one of the best economic indicators. Our indicators as far as the mileage of roads and birth rates and death rates is one of the finest. So we have to see that this Goa, where today people are living, some people, the rich people, are living in the island of prosperity amidst the ocean of poverty. Goa is going backward. We have to look forward, and therefore, if I had to take the decision, I'm sure I have taken a decision in the right direction, because I have decided I will not contest, but I will take this decision so that Goans can look forward, Goans can have a better future.
Is it a gamble, political gamble for you?
No. For me, it is the pride of Goa. I belong to this land. I'm very proud I got a birth in this place. I'm very proud I'm brought up in this place. But I'm very sad and sorry to look the present state of affairs. And therefore, I feel whether it is me or you or any Goan should look forward for a change and a credible
2-3
change.
things, sir, which people want to know from you. एक, तुम्ही नावेली कॉन्टेस्ट करू ना, वालांका येता थंय जिखून?
See, as I have told you, if I have gone for a change, it is not because of myself. I had decided I will not contest these elections. I have contested 7 times. And if I wanted, I could have contested 9 times. I went 10 years in Delhi to serve my party at the national level. And I started my career at the age of 25. I got elected at the age of 26, 27.
वालांक्यातले काय ना ते सांगू ना तुम्ही
Valanka should be.
नावेली
Yeah. The
So, एक tally झाली start.
people of Naveli constituency should be showering their blessings on her.
दुसरें तुमकां फातोर्डा टिकेट जाली तुमी आतां रिफ्यूज केली की कितें जालें तें खबर ना आमकां पूण मागीर नांव चेंज जालें वॉट हॅपन दॅट
No, you see, maybe a lot of people thought that if Luizinho Faleiro doesn't want to contest in Naveli, he may contest in Margao, he may contest in Fatorda, he may contest somewhere else. I mean, they wanted Luizinho Faleiro to lead the party in these elections. I said, see, if I have taken a decision to give birth to a party which can look after the state of Goa and which can look at the leadership to fight at the national level. And Mamta Didi is only credible leader in the country which can fight the BJP and the Modi juggernaut. So therefore, I said me is not important, but the people of Goa is important, and the party should put its foot firmly and strongly in Goa, and you will see it. It will happen. You must have already seen that TMC, 3 months old party, has come out with the policies, has come out with the programs, has come out with the schemes which are pro-people.
तर ते झाले सर आम्ही तुमच्या बद्दल असत नाव वी आर
So
ऑन
me
यू एंड
is not important.
फातोर्डा
Luizinho Faleiro is not important.
तुम्ही जिंकता आशिल्ले
Luizinho Faleiro contesting in Naveli is not important, even though the people of Goa,
आणि एक नंबर
the
वाटता
people of
for
Goa
your
had,
party
people of Naveli had insisted I should contest, or at least a member of my family should contest. Last time I didn't want to contest, but last time because of the pressure I contested. But
Fatorda
this time I made sure that I will not contest in Goa because I don't want tomorrow people say Luizinho Faleiro has gone to TMC for his personal program, his personal ambitions.
so you don't want to be part of this entire change that you look at
I am already. I represent my
You
state.
don't represent your party
I
in
represent
the-
my state at the national level.
Assembly is more important.
The eloquent testimony of that is within 2 days, I raised 8 issues which are affecting Goa and Goans, which were never taken for the last 10 years.
Bengal
At the parliament level, at the national level. First time TMC MP has taken these issues at the national level.
Sir, how does it sound like West Bengal's member of parliament in Rajya Sabha raising issues of Goa, wherein you are actually also depriving West Bengal of giving an opportunity to raise the issue in Rajya Sabha?
But that is the leadership. That is the leadership of the TMC which wanted to prove to the people that we are interested in Goa, protect Goa's identity, take the issues of Goa not only at the state level, but take the issues of the state at the national level.
But then that could have been done by Mahua Moitra also, that could have been done by any other member
I
of
mean,
parliament.
I am very, very grateful.
Why you require Luizinho Faleiro to be
for
there?
giving me this opportunity to raise these issues, and she has told me. So, see, we want the TMC to be a pro-poor party in the state of Goa. The policies and the programs is the eloquent testimony of her intentions and as far as her dreams of the people of Goa is concerned. And the very fact, as per her I have raised these issues. These are the major issues. 8, 9, 10 issues to be taken at the parliamentary
कोणी
level.
करपा जाताले न्ही sir. Why do you require Luizinho Faleiro in parliament?
Because they were not taken
You
by
know,
our representatives in the parliament for the last 5-6 years.
Other TMC
Have you heard?
Other TMC
Have you heard that these issues were taken at the parliament level? Issues like coal, issues like 3 linear projects, issues like deforestation, issues because Goa, is a hot spot, one of the 6th hotspots in the world, and we are destroying it.
No, my question
Our
is
forefathers have protected, preserved, and given to us our sacred duty to protect it, preserve it, and hand over to the
my
posterity.
question was
Your question, I am replying.
is is why
it
only
was the
Luizinho Faleiro.
decision of the chairperson of the TMC that Goan issues must be taken by Goans at the national level.
ओके अनदर थिंग हेजे हांगा बोवाळ चल्ला सगळे कडेन की तुमकां काडून उडयलें म्हणून नॅशनल एक्झिक्युटिव्हांतल्यान आनी सो देर वॉज सम पीपल वर इवन सेलिब्रेटींग वी हॅव सीन हाव दे वर वेरी मच हॅपी की लुइझिनो फॅलेरो काडून उडयलो म्हणजे आतां TMC हांगच्यान काबार दे हॅव लॉस्ट इंट्रस्ट इन गोवा हाव डू यू रिएक्ट वॉट इज युअर फर्स्ट क्लॅरिफिकेशन बट इट्स ट्रू दॅट यू आर नो मोर नॅशनल वायस प्रेसिडेंट
Sometimes ignorance is bliss for these people. They don't know any national party has to hold elections as per the constitution of the party. When I was in the Indian National Congress is to have an elected body every second year. Then the constitution was changed and made every third year. Now it is every fifth year. Every fifth year, you have to hold the elections and inform the Election Commission of India. It is mandatory. Similarly, the TMC, when they had an election, they elect the president. Here in the TMC, it is called chairperson. And the chairperson is given the freedom. Automatically, the full committee gets dissolved. And the chairperson, with the help of the working committee, finalizes the committee and informs the Election Commission. So obviously, when a new chairperson was appointed by the TMC and All India TMC party appointed Mamta Didi as a chairperson, and it was her prerogative to appoint a new committee because all the committee stands dissolved. There's nothing new about it. This is happening in Congress, this is happening in the BJP, and this is happening in the TMC.
We are not on process. We are saying that Luizinho Faleiro was not considered when this committee was formed again.
I was part of the TMC working committee. What more you want? There were only 20 of us to take a decision. So I am very proud. I am very happy that I was invited by the chairperson of the TMC to finalize the new committee and what more you want?
Okay, another thing which is right now a subject of debate nationally. Prashant Kishore of IPAC says, I was not part of any decision making as far as Goa is concerned. I was not involved. I was just sitting there and observing. Is it right? Is it true, sorry, that he was just observing, or
what
was
Mr.
he?
Prashant
Because
Kishore has said
let me
not said, I don't know. But I can tell you, as far as the TMC, the IPAC is an agency appointed by the TMC, and IPAC has been working in the state of Goa, and I'm very happy that IPAC has worked well. That within 3 months, they have brought the TMC vertically upwards. It's not a joke. Within 3 months, and they have done a good job.
I'm asking you this.
You are asking me about Prashant Kishore. You see, I am talking about IPAC. What Prashant Kishore has said and not said, I don't know. Because I don't want to be into that.
Because
I'm
your earlier statement, sir, is actually pulling you into this entire controversy. Because when you joined, sir, you said during a press conference.
Of course, IPAC contacted me. IPAC contacted all the people, and IPAC also did a surveys after surveys. They did many surveys. And this surveys has helped the TMC to finalize the candidates. I'm not a party to that.
Prashant Kishore personally.
No, your question is about Prashant Kishore.
Yeah.
I am telling you about IPAC. IPAC is an agency appointed by TMC. That is the fact.
Sir, IPAC is an agency, but there's someone from the agency has to come to you. And was it Prashant Kishore that
there
approached
were
you?
Many people who were the founders of IPAC who approached me.
Who approached you? It's not Prashant Kishore alone.
No, definitely not alone. There are in Goa, there were I think 5, 6 of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, because he had said I have no role to play.
And I was told that they are the co-founders of the IPAC.
Okay. Another thing. Now, what next for TMC in Goa? Are you looking at contesting future elections like Panchayat, like
No, I have already made sure that I am not going to contest any assembly elections.
TMC.
But TMC has put its foot on the sacred land of Goa. TMC has contested these elections with the help of coalition partners, and TMC will continue to play a role till Goa and Goans see a change which they richly deserve. Goans are looking for a change and a credible change, and I feel a party like TMC can play a role. 3 months is too short a period. No political party in the history of Goa has made such a great leap or jump in the political sphere of Goa. As I have told you, the Congress took 20 years to open an account. The BJP has nearly taken 10 years to open the account. The Aam Aadmi Party has taken 10 years and still we don't know whether they're going to open the account. TMC has come just 3 months back and the people of Goa has accepted, and I'm sure the people of Goa will bless this party so that this party can fulfill the aspirations, the demands, the problems of the people.
Your sentence never says that TMC will also open the account. You are actually
Definitely will open the
You're
accounts.
just going down and
will
just
open.
avoiding to.
What I am saying, as you yourself has asked me the question, that whether 3 months were enough. That means you are also got this question in your mind, whether 3 months were enough for a new party like TMC, who has set its sacred on the sacred land of Goa, will be able to prove. And I'm sure they have really won the hearts of the people. For example, all the programs, all the schemes which the TMC has brought to the people of Goa within 3 months. Can you believe that the Graha Lakshmi card, nearly 3.5 lakh women of Goa has registered for it?
Sir, just an announcement, sir. You know it
No,
very
no,
well. You are
they have
ex-CM of this
registered.
state.
They have taken
This
pains.
is nothing. This
Which
is not
political party?
You can't call it a scheme also.
Let me-
Scheme
let-
is when you're in the government and you
let
give
me
it
tell
to
you
them.
one thing. TMC within 3 months have reached to the doorsteps of every house in Goa, not once, but at least 2 times. And wherever we put the candidates in 26 constituencies, they have tried to go 3 times within 3 months.
But these are assurances. These are
No,
not
no,
schemes.
assurances no. People have gone to the doorsteps of the people.
No, I mean to say
The
this.
TMC party has gone to the doorsteps of
Correct,
the people
sir.
within 3 months.
But-
You tell me how many parties have reached to the doorsteps of the people within 3 months? Number one. Number two, you see, the testimony of TMC's effectiveness and seriousness is TMC has reached out to 3.5 lakh women who registered for the scheme, that is Graha Lakshmi card.
So it's not TMC, it's IPAC.
TMC with the agencies. Now, third thing, Yuva Shakti card. 2.5 lakh people, youth, have reached out and got the Yuva Shakti card. And so many people have gone for the right to land and other. Not that we didn't have schemes. We had a Munkaril Act, we had a Tenancy Act, but TMC has made sure that it is pro-poor, that they have got a schemes and programs to help Goa and help Goans.
Last 2 questions. One, very straight question. Prashant Kishore's strategy about Goa, will it work? Has it worked, do you think?
See, finally, it is the TMC who has decided to appoint an agency. So, it is the question which you are asking me should have been rephrased.
Okay, you can rephrase.
TMC succeed? I will say,
No,
because I have got faith in TMC, I have accepted this party, and it is a challenge before us to see that we reach out to every nook and corner of Goa.
Last question, sir. Will you be happy to see TMC and Congress coming together to form the next government?
Today, BJP, which is running in the country, I don't think I will be wrong if I say our country had never faced such a bad situation. You see, the GDP of this country for the last 10 years, the BJP is ruling, is collapsing.
This you have said, sir. My question is very straight.
You see the overall situation in the country as far as the human resource indicators is collapsing. You see the economic indicators, this country is collapsing. So otherwise also, for a vibrant democracy, it is always necessary, as per our constitution, we should have a credible opposition. And today we need a strong opposition to the BJP and the Modi juggernaut. So only way you can give a credible opposition is the Congress family, which is divided into four. The TMC, the Nationalist Congress, the YSR Congress, and the Indian National Congress will have to come together.
I'm asking
to
about
fight.
Goa will.
I am saying at the
will
national
you
level
be-
and at the Goa level also.
गोवा लेवल what do we derive from this? म्हाका कळना कितें आमी derive करपाचें की your answer was I asked you a specific question. TMC आणि
You wait and
काँग्रेस
see.
एकठांय
You wait and see for the results of this election.
सरकार केले
You
जाल्यार
wait and see for the coming elections.
Happy
You wait
as-
and see for the parliamentary elections. And you will see that finally the people have to take a decision to save this country, saves democracy of this country, and to save the future of this country.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच सर फॉर स्पेंडींग टायम विथ अस हे आशिल्ले लुईझीन फालेरो ते म्हणटा TMC हांगा रावपाक आयिल्ले आसा 3 म्हयन्या पयलीं येवन सुद्दां जो इम्पॅक्ट तांणी केल्लो आसा आनी लोकांच्या दारांनी तीनदा पावले ते पळयत जाल्यार TMCक हांगा फुडार आसा एक क्रेडिबल ऑपोजिशन जावपा खातीर TMC आनी बाकीचे ज्यो काँग्रेस आसा जशे NCP आसा तशे इंडियन नॅशनल काँग्रेस आसा हे सगळे जाण एकठांय येवन आनी काम करचें पडटलें आनी भाजपाक एक क्रेडिबल ऑपोजिशन म्हणून हांगा लोकां खातीर ऑप्शन दिवचें पडटलें ते स्वता इलेक्शन लडोवचे ना सर अगेन आय एम कमिंग बिकॉज फ्यू इयर्स बॅक आय हॅड आस्क्ड यू सेम क्वेश्चन सिटींग आय थिंक अक्रॉस दीस डोर एंड यू सेड आय विल नेवर कॉन्टेस्ट एनी इलेक्शन्स बट गो टू सी यू कॉन्टेस्टेड नावेली अगेन सो नाव इट्स फूल एंड फायनल लुईझीन फालेरो इलेक्शन लडोवचे ना you are not going to contest elections.
Elections are already over.
No, future elections. Future elections.
No. I have said I don't want to contest in the assembly elections
Assembly
last
elections.
time.
Okay.
And
so this
I
also hints
remain
that,
to that.
this also hints that he may be a Lok Sabha candidate of TMC. देव बरें करूं सर परत एकदा तुम पळयतात हब एनकाउंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewsup.com. Our channel partners are RDXGOA and our production partners are Prasad Deshpande Mentor, goabalance.com. Keep watching this.